Yo, music producers, today we're gonna review FL Studio 2025. I mean the latest version of FL Studio. And if you are ready, let's do this right after the intro. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to launch FL Studio 2025, and this is gonna blow your mind. Alright, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. If you wanna know more about music production, learn how to mix and master your song, making a beat, then subscribe to this particular channel because everything you need to know about music production, I got you covered. Alright, so guys, if you install FL Studio 2025 for the very first time, you're gonna see something like this, and that's super simple. So over here you can see welcome to FL Studio. Launch loop starter. You can also create a chord progression, record audios, then default basic with limiter, and you can start empty projects if you are aiming for rock, metal, jazz, trap. Guys, this is crazy. You can actually start with a template over here. Super simple. So what we're gonna do is to start with trap. All right, and if you watch here too, you can see a new version of FL Studio is available. That's what I'm having now. It's super simple. I'm not gonna go deep into this. What we're gonna pay attention to is to start a new project. All right, so if you want to record, you can actually select this and it's gonna give you a template to record. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know how to record your vocals and mix master in FL Studio. So guys, we're gonna start with a template and I'm gonna go for hip hop trap. Alright, so you can see FL Studio hip hop trap template is about to load. So that's super simple. After everything, it's gonna give you what you need in terms of making hip hop trap beat. Is super simple. The drums is over here. You can actually click on that. Alright, so if you just click on FL Studio piano roll, you can actually arrange some case over here. Alright, so we're gonna look at the future that has been changed. The current settings over here. You can see if you compare this FL Studio 2025 to the old version, this browser, then channel rack, all these icons were around your top right corner over here, but now it is found over here. That's the new thing that I'm seeing. Then also you can actually see what is going on. Today you can read the latest news over here. All right, super simple. And over here you can see your browser, anything about your project, your recent project, and it also contains your sample packs. Anything that you install gonna pop up at the browser. Over here you can browse through projects, then also browse through plugins. All right, if you click here, you can see the plugin that you have installed. Is super simple. Then guys, one thing I really love about this particular recent FL Studio is that you can actually download, go for samples online from here. It's like Splice built in FL Studio. All right, that's super simple. All right, so over here you can browse through more sounds, then even more over here. You can see this is crazy. The recent FL Studio 2025 is crazy. You can go for samples, loops right in FL Studio. This is amazing. All right, okay, you can even browse through genres. Guys, look at all this. Okay, so you can hear crazy. So if you want that, all you need to do is to click add, and you need to log in, choose a plan so that you can actually make a purchase of this particular samples. We're not going to pay attention to that. Now that you know this, you can also see the start over here, your favorite. Okay, so now that you know this, let's look at how to start a new project. What you need to do is to click on the file, then go to new from template. You can hit empty. All right, over here. I'm not going to save this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Okay, so guys, now this is the channel rack, and if you click here, there's one interesting thing in the latest version of FL Studio. This is the 10 loop starter mode on. You can click over here, and if you want to start with Afrobeat, when you click on this, it's gonna give you a start up point. Something that you can actually start with. So let's go for hip hop over here, and guys, you can see it has given you a template. This is crazy. Now we're gonna listen to this. Let's listen. Crazy. Let's solo this. Now listen. So that's the kick. And this the melodic. Let's solo it. This super crazy. I'm gonna increase my volume a little bit. Now listen. Guys, this is crazy. So you can actually start something if you don't know what to do at the moment. You find it difficult to create drums, loops. This is gonna give you something to start. Listen to this. Okay, so you're gonna combine. And you know what? If you click over here and the key is F sharp minor, then send the audio loop and the pattern to playlist. You can actually send this to playlist, and boom, everything gonna be on the playlist for you like this. All right, let's go to the channel rack again, and we're gonna look at something. That's super simple. So let's say we want to create Afrobeat. Let's check new project, empty. We're not going to save this. Delete. Now let's go to the channel rack, and we're going to click over here. Let's go for Afrobeat like this, and you can see it's going to give you something that you can actually start with. Now let's listen to the drums first. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. This crazy. And you know what? It's also gonna give you the melodic. Let's listen to the melodic. This is crazy. Woo! Then let's listen to this. So this is like a peck. Crazy. All right, so we're gonna add listen. All right, guys, and I forgot to tell you one thing. You can actually be changing any of the drums or the melodic or the percussion given to you. All you need to do is to click on replace the channels sample icon over here. All right, this one, So when I click on that, it's gonna change this one. Watch here, you can see now the drums have been changed. Let's solo the drums. All right, so that you can actually see what we are going for. Now listen, I'm gonna click on it again and it's gonna change it. Listen. That's crazy. Let's change the melody. All you need to do is to click on this and it's going to change the melody for you. Super simple. You're going to change the melody once again. Then let's change the percussion. If you want to add this, just click that, then click here. Let's see. All right, so that's super crazy. Okay, so now that you know what is going on in FL Studio 2025, I mean the latest version, watch the next video to download this free sample pack that I got for you. Alright, until then, see you in the next video. Keep doing music, come back for more.